Right, I'm going to show you how to connect to a printer on an Android device. So the first page you want to go to your settings page, and you'll see connections at the top. I'm going to click on connections here, and then scroll down. You'll see more connection settings, and inside that you'll see printing. I'm going to click on that, and in order to connect to a printer that you're using, you'll need to download a specific plugin for your printer. For my case, I'm using a Canon Selphy. I'm gonna click on that. I want to install that first. Gonna wait for that to be installed a little bit. All right, open, and now it's gonna find. So if you have the printer connected to the same Wi-Fi, the printer will connect, like your device will connect to the printer automatically. So now let's go back to the app, and I'm gonna click on print here. And as you see at the top here, you see that the printer is automatically connected now. So now if I click on this print, and it will ask use Canon print service, and this will print the photo automatically. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment or just leave a note. All right.